Adya, check Tavishom. Stand over there. Check his homework. Hello. Today, no? Stay back. How many sums he has done?
5.
How many supposed to do? 10. So do 20 sums and then only go home. What? From where? From home. You will stay here and do it. Over.
More 5 and
There is no more 5. Did you hear? 20 sums. Yes. How many sums? 13 he did. You sit down now. You all done? You're done now? Done. Why 10 only? Last class we will ask you. No. Monday. Wednesday only present. What is it? Monday present, Wednesday present. Yeah. Okay. Done, no? Done. Done. Those are done. You are trying to say what is it? Okay, done. Okay. So no. Not done. Done means sit down. Yes, man. Last class I didn't see you. So. Why were you? Why you did not come? Huh? Same reason. What is it? What did he do? Sarvesh find out from him why he didn't come on Monday. So today you will go at 8:45, okay? Huh? What? I was sleeping. Your baby or what? Huh? Feeding bottle also carrying. Baby, no? Baby sleep that way. You know, when kids are there, no sleep anytime they get sleep, they will sleep. Okay. After drinking, they sleep. Okay. That's like that you have child baby, no? No. Then what is it? What is your age now? You sure? You are 40. What for? I don't know. So come, homework, anything done? How many sums are done? 20. You are supposed to do 30 now. Sit down. I asked someone's homework you are supposed to check. He is coming regularly. And you, somebody. Because of you only your sister did not come? Yeah. So you are troubling her also. Her studies, if she is getting less mark because of you. Yeah. Happily listen to us. I'll tell her to slap you in front of everyone. Okay. I asked you to draw the figure, all of you draw the figure. Right is not drawn. Where is? Hello, Hero. What is the x equal? Every day you write x equal to y equal to 20 and all. What will be your triangle sum equation and solve it? Okay. What? Triangles exercises.
then
Which exercise is talking about? Everything going one line. Yes. Yes. Not wrong. What is scale, pencil, you have to draw. Look, Christy, show your figure with them. Adya, show the figure with them. Scale, there was no scale. This is with the scale, we are not. Is there a belt in there? None. Is where the belt is there for the scale? This is the scale you are not. Who? No.
We copied from other and now it's showing me to the huge file of the
He copied from him. Then you start there.
Me?
Me. Then what? You already showed here. That means our homework already is copied.
No.
Then yes. Now we are doing the chapter quadrilaterals now. Okay. The Euclid geometry exercise questions are not previous part questions. We have to do it. Understood now? Hello. Hey, these people. Anshul, Srinidhi. Where is the Anshul? Where is the Apna V1?
I don't know, sir.
You should know, no, your friend only, no? Yeah. Chalo. Okay now. So quadrilaterals we started. What is sum of the angles of a quadrilateral? 360 degree. Okay. With that one I was talking about which one? Types of quadrilaterals. You wrote type of quadrilaterals. Okay. So we have to study what are the types of quadrilateral, what are the properties of quadrilaterals and all. We are going to do. Geometry part it is going on. So you have to be seriously do the sums. Okay. Not because you will forget these all. Keep on revise the chapter. This Sunday, what test paper is there? Okay. Hey, do the sums from lines and angles. All the questions. Okay, and Heron's formula. I was doing only. Where is one Heron's formula question done? Show me one question of Heron's formula done. This one. What is this x plus y equals to the 19? Heron's formula. I want to do.
I was doing.
So Heron's formula and this one. Which one lines and angles? How many questions? 20 comes. Or 30 comes. Together 20 sums today do, then only you will go home. Fastest how much marks you got, I know. Shall I tell you?
No.
Everyone knows, no?
No.
Hello, sign the paper and put it to that side. Yeah, okay. Chalo.
I have a doubt.
You doubt in Heron's formula. What is the doubt in Heron's formula? Read. Read. AB equal to? Oh, angle, what is 90 degree? B, no?
Yes.
Okay, well. Okay, and what is AB equal to? 36. 36. Yes or no? Then what? 24. Then it is good.
21.
These are the values now. Diagonal. That may not be given. That is figure now. This page only given. Figure will not given. That you have to identify. So look here. You identify. Should we do BD or AC? You have to do AC. Why means this angle is 90 degree. So apply draw AC. This area of the triangle is equal to half into 36 into 15. That is equal to 18 into 15. Okay, understood? 9 to 30, 270. Okay, then you can find out AC by Pythagoras theorem. You know what is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus B. This side, then apply Heron's formula. Add both areas, you get that. Okay. Any other problem? Are you studying anything? No homework done now. How many questions do you? From which chapter? 14 only. This Sunday is lines and angles and the distance coming. You are not done. That already done. Okay. Then see, this time less mark can come. Okay. Chalo. All of you must write the test paper. Last time, 2-3 people did not write the test. Did you write the test last Sunday? Like linear equation.
Yeah, I did.
Where? When? How much you got? Ah. Truly, I'm telling. I'll tell mummy to come and sit next to you. All these things I will. She will let her also see
When
what.
was that?
See, when was the test? When was the test? Did you all hear now? So let's come to this one. Okay. No. One by one, we are going to do it. Trapezium. You know what is a trapezium?
Yes.
So did you write the property?
Yeah.
What did you write?
Pair of opposite panel.
Did you write? From where you write? Who asked you to write? Right, cutting right. Trapezium. Actually, not very. Up. There. Where is the figure here from?
Sorry.
Oh, thank you. Did you draw the figure? All right. Trapezium is a trapezium. It's a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. Written?
No.
Quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Quadrilateral with one pair of Tahi. Done written now. Tahi standard. What is ABCD? Why is it trapezium? Sir, AB is parallel to CD. What else you can tell from this figure? AB is parallel to CD. You got it, sir. What else? Anything else? No. Yes. Diagonal. Therefore, four angles are sides. What side? Oh, there are four sides. We also had a four sides. Figure four sides. This is letter A, this is letter B, C, D, four alphabets A, B, C, D. Huh? This is the tangent. So, up here.
So angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees.
Understood.
And AD is also an
AD is another transfer angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. Okay, not four sides, four angles. See, this is parallel to this. That's the property to be applied now. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Reason? No interior angles. Okay, angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Are we followed all of you? Yes. Okay. Now, do you know what is the isosceles trapezium? Right. Below right. If the non-parallel sides are equal, if the non-parallel sides are equal, then the trapezium is an isosceles trapezium. Then trapezium is an isosceles trapezium. Okay? All of you right? Wrote this one. Okay. Next. Figure is already drawn now.
Yes.
It's already made a trapezium though. Don't make this way. Some one girl is written everything. I'll show. Trapezium. Rectangle. Rhombus. Square. It's a draw the figure again. Another man drawn. Rectangle. Scale got a bend, no? Huh? Yes. Manufactured defect, no? Okay, so trapezium, all of you know by identifying it. Okay, now next is here. Next one we say yes, nothing much. Is this isosceles trapezium? There is another problem. ECS. That you understood now. You can apply the property. Why I am telling this one? This is all parallel lines are the same property. But when the figure comes, you should apply that if this angle B plus angle C is 180. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. Like that you have to identify. Okay. Now, isosceles trapezium properties you will study later. Diagonals are equal and base angles. Base angles means, let's look here. What are the base angles? Means angle C and angle D. Also angle A and angle B. They are equal in an isosceles trapezium. Also diagonals AC and BD are equal. That will come as a question to prove. Important question. Okay. Sanika, listen. Already one hand is gone now. So why you holding that? That you need a support? It pains. How quickly? How did he fell down? Okay. Yeah. Chalo. Next is after trapezium. Next figure is called parallelogram. Parallelogram. You know how to write? Right. So, if you now you write in words. Listen, this is the short form you will see. Okay. P a parallel and GM is parallelogram. Short form. Okay. But write parallel. Okay. Now, what is parallelogram? Right. You know what's the parallelogram? If both the pair of opposite sides. Now you read all what you have to do now. In a quadrilateral, right? In a quadrilateral, if both the pair of opposite sides are parallel, both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel. It is a parallelogram. Written.
Parallel and equal, right?
Right, what I am telling. Did you write? Both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. What are parallel here? AB is parallel to DC or CD. There is no problem. Okay. And BAD is parallel to BC. Okay. Understood now? All right. Once again, last class also I said, don't make this mistake. This is not ABCD. This is what? ABDC. Okay, so be careful about this. Okay. Now, so both the pair opposite sides are parallel. Now write properties of the parallelogram. Properties of parallelogram. Already by definition, what is the first property? Opposite sides are parallel. One, opposite sides are parallel. Second, right, opposite sides are equal. Written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? One is opposite sides are parallel. Second one, opposite sides are equal. Third, opposite angles are equal. One by one below, right? Opposite angles are equal. 4. Written all of you? Okay. Fourth one. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other. No, you are asking him. Diagonals bisect each other. Understood or not? Next. What is he talking here? Leave that line and do sharpening. This all these things you're doing. What you are finding there? What I am speaking, you cannot understand out. Okay now. So you don't need to tell him. He knows all these things. Okay. Then, so you wrote diagonal bisect each other. How many properties you wrote? 4 properties you wrote? No. No. So from this figure, all of you followed what are these things? Opposite sides are parallel means AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. That is the definition. Question will come. Prove that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Means what you have to prove? AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Do you know how to do it? I'm going to explain this one. Listen carefully. Dia is not listening. So I drawn one diagonal. What is the diagonal drawn? AC. Any one of the diagonal. Listen carefully. We are going to prove these two triangles are congruent. We will prove these two triangles are congruent. Arey, what you have to prove? For why we are proving congruent? To prove that opposite sides are parallel, equal. So you are telling AB equal to BC. Do you know what is given?
Means they are parallel.
Given is ABCD is a parallelogram. Means AB and CD are parallel, AD and BC are parallel. Okay. We need to prove opposite sides are equal. So what you have to prove? AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Understood? Yes or no? Hello. So how do you prove these two triangles congruent? Wait. Sit down and think. Yes. Those who know raise hand. Raise right. Loudly, standard. Only given condition is opposite sides are parallel. Nothing else. Okay.
Sir, was triangle ADC and ABC. And AC is a transversal.
Listen.
Angle BAC equals to
angle BAC. Look here. Angle BAC is equal to angle ADC, ACD or DCA. For the same thing, alternate in the angle. Then over one more.
Then angle BAC.
Angle in this triangle they ignore. Triangle ACB. AC equal to angle CAC, CAD or DAC.
And AC equals to
AC is equal to AC. Therefore, which triangle is congruent? Which triangle? Who can tell? Those who raise the hand. Yes.
Triangle ADC and ABC.
Triangle. First you tell ABC. ABC is congruent to
ADC.
Wrong. That means AB and AD. ABC congruent to A corresponds to which one? This one now. Triangle CDA. Reason is what? ASA. Are you followed? Therefore, you will get what will you get? AB is equal to CD and AC, BC is equal to BD. Opposite sides are equal. Are you followed, all of you? Okay. If the question is asked, prove that in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. This is the proof we have to write. For this one, right? No, sleeping out. Now, this one, what is the reason you will write?
Alternate.
Which alternating their angles? First you will write AB is parallel to CD and AC is the transversal. Therefore, these two alternating their angles. How about this one? It is not AB parallel. AB parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Then only these alternating their angles comes. Yes or no, Adya? AD parallel to BC and AC is the transversal. All of them has its own reasons. AC is equal to AC common. This much is clear. All of you followed the proof. Those who are not followed the proof, raise the hand. What is the problem? He's playing over there and he's telling you. Then what are you doing there? I'm saying parallelogram. I asked you to draw these all. Then, when did you draw? You think I am a fool to see this one? You will do your work and then I will explain. Huh? Last which one? Stand up. Remove it.
1 minute, sir.
I'm explaining these congruence and he's drawing trapezium and parallelogram. What last one he did not get? ABC and look ABC, ABC, and this is the angle corresponds to this one, therefore C. And next is correspondingly AC is equal to AC, third letter, and this angle, this is corresponds to this one. Letters has to be in order here to write A, B, C. Then AB should be equal to what? CD. That is why its order is coming. Sanika, you forgot your name? Okay. So this is the condition. So first part all of you followed. Second one. What is second property? Means third property. Opposite sides equally proved now. Opposite angles are equal. How will you prove opposite angles are equal? The question is asked if the theorem to prove that opposite angles are equal. If these triangles are congruent, this much you write. Then by CPCT what will you get? Angle A. Angle A. Angle B and angle D are equal. How do you prove the other one?
Equation. Make an equation.
Which equation?
Alternate interior angle.
Alternate interior angle. Then
Like from the first one, you can just add the equations. The first we can add.
first we can add these two. Only add these two.
BAC plus ACB.
These two adding, you'll get these two.
No. BAC plus ACB.
These two can add.
Yes.
Look at the figure. What is BAC?
Then
BAC.
just change it and
My dear, this is BAC. This is this one. This can be added. If you want to write this one the opposite way, you have to write it that. No. Yes.
That BAC is
Sit.
BAC.
No need to adding and don't listen here. You just write as similarly when you draw the diagonal BD, these two triangles also congruent. Therefore, angle is just no need to write. Okay. If you are this is otherwise, what you have to tell these two interchange and add. BAC plus DAC is equal to DCA plus AC. Therefore, angle is equal to. Okay, that way also you can do, there is no problem. Okay, understood. Question if it is coming, generally theorem doesn't come, this one is. Do you know what is the meaning of diagonals bisect each other?
Yes.
Who knows? 1, 2, 3. Your hand is up or down? Arya, today you are sleeping or? I am not hearing anything from you. Huh? Gone to the last bench, that's why you are not telling anything. What happened, Arya? You fought with mommy again? Then, who is there at home? Sister, big sister or small sister? Huh? Big sister, what she is doing? You are in school. As who tell diagonal bisect each other? Much. Okay, tell. Tell.
That one part, it cuts the parallelogram to triangle.
That's new rule you got. Sit down. Yes.
It means AP is equal to CC and DT is equal to BD.
Diagonals bisect each other means what she said is correct. Look here. P is the midpoint of AC and BD. Are these two are equal? AP and BP are equal? No. P is the midpoint of AC. What does it mean if P is the midpoint of AC? AP is equal to CP. P is the midpoint of BD means what? BP is equal to DP. Are you followed? Okay now. Understood? All of you followed? P is the midpoint. So that also. How will you prove this one? Diagonals bisect each other.
If we
You can prove these two triangles are congruent. Who will prove these two triangles congruent? Yes, Rahul. The opposite sides are equal, AB equal to DC. DPC vertically opposite angles. One more angle now, alternating these angles. Okay, therefore by AS test. Hello, Avni, listen here. Triangle APB is congruent to triangle CPD. Yes. Two angles and AAS. Isn't it? See, one angle, second angle, side. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent by AAS. Therefore, AP is equal to CP and BP is equal to EP. Nice music now. Everyone is sleeping. Hello. This is not music, this is maths. Okay. Understood or not? Hey, Brishti. Last nights you don't sleep. Yes.
So can't be a
Let's exercise you prove and explain. Okay, use it. Stand up. Huh? Hey, wait. So given things you to prove is given. Okay, prove Pythagoras theorem means by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, understood. You cannot use that one. Understood now? All right, all of you. Okay, so what are the properties of the parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are equal. One more property, right? A diagonal of a parallelogram. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. Two TWO, two congruent triangles. Divides it into two congruent triangles. Done or not? Look at the board, it is already written over there. See, what are the triangles congruent written over there?
A, C, and C.
There are five, this diagonal you want to do from this diagonal. Proof already explained now. What? Followed? Not followed. So all of you followed. So whichever the question comes, you have to write. Able to write? Sure. These are the properties. Okay. Now we are going to tell the converse. Converse means Christy is sleeping again. What happened? Next time sleeping means I'll put one bottle. If I see one bottle of water, I pour in it. Okay, no problem. Okay, so what are the properties that diagonal divide the parallelogram? Okay. So here the triangle into two, sorry, parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Now we are going to tell the converse. Converse means how to prove a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. Okay, we prove this is a parallelogram. How can you prove? Right, there are five properties are there. Properties for a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. Quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. Be a parallelogram. First one. If both the pair of opposite sides are parallel, the parallelogram short form is given now. If both the pairs of opposite sides are parallel, who is that? If both the pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral are parallel, then what? It's a parallelogram. Are you followed? What is it? That is a definition. Okay. Followed or not?
Yes.
If you prove AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC, what happens? I will be followed. Huh? If both the pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is a parallelogram. Okay? Understood or not? Means to prove it is a parallelogram, what all things should be proved? Opposite. AB should be parallel to CD and AD should be parallel to BC. Playing on. Okay. Second problem. If both the pairs of opposite sides are equal, if both the pairs of opposite sides are equal, opposite sides are equal, then it's a parallelogram. Both the pairs of opposite sides are equal. You look in this book and write now. Why you looking at me? You scared to look. Look and write. Both the pairs of opposite sides are equal, then it is a parallelogram.
Meaning like AD equals to BC and AB equals to BC.
If
That
you
is for rectangle.
can rectangle, so opposite sides are equal to rectangle. It's not enough. Let's do it.
For rectangle.
Listen, let's we reach to rectangle now, then we discuss. Parallelogram we discussing now. When you discuss the rectangle, you come to it. Okay. So if you can prove AB is equal to BC and AD is equal to BC, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Understood? Rahi, no secrets over here, okay? Okay, now this is clear. Tia, did you move this side? No, you are why pushing her to this side. For Rahi is coming, huh? Water. Very good. It's not water. Who put water down? Surely
No.
you.
Her
Huh?
bag was
The bottle was leaking. Okay, chalo, no problem. Keep the bottles always down on the bench. Okay. Okay. Control yourself. Don't try. Take care of her. Okay, 2, 3 people. How she will sleep. Don't go there on the water. Okay. Huh? Next, third one. If both the pair of opposite angles are equal, both the pair of opposite angles are equal, both the pairs of opposite angles are equal, then the quadrilateral is a parallelogram, or then it's a parallelogram. Opposite, then it's a parallelogram. Written? Are you followed what is written? Means if you can prove angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D, what you can conclude? What is a parallelogram? ABCD is a parallelogram. Tavish, are you following? This is how many properties we wrote? 3 properties. Means 3 ways we can prove the quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. So write the 4th way also. 4. If the diagonals bisect each other, if the diagonals bisect each other, then it's a parallelogram. Hope all of you are following, or only laughing and giggling only? Learn, okay. Diagonals bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. Hope all of you follow that also. Okay. What is the meaning of that one?
if that
If diagonals. If I draw this one, let's say P. If you can prove AP is equal to CP and BP is equal to DP, then immediately what you can write? ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, understood or not? Okay. Then no, actually you can't see the. You can see now, no? Chalo. 5th one. How many properties are what? 4. One more property. Right. If one pair of opposite sides, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. One pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Then it is a parallelogram. Oh, then it is a parallelogram. Okay. One pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, then it is a parallelogram. Have you followed? Means what is given over here? Let's say AB is equal to DP and AB is equal to DC. Then what will be? ABC should be a parallelogram. Can you prove that? Very easy now. Look here. How always look to prove a parallelogram is already given AB parallel to CD now. If we can prove BC parallel to AD, that's enough. Can you prove these two? What is given condition? AB and CD are equal and they are parallel to each other. Can you prove these two triangles are congruent?
Yes.
How do you prove?
Angle B.
Angle DAC is equal to angle DCA, alternate in the angle. AB is equal to DC, given. AC is equal to AC. Therefore, by SAS, that these two triangles are congruent. Which two triangles are congruent? Triangle ABC and the triangle CBA. From there, CPCT, you get angle ACB is equal to angle CAD. They are which type of angles? If alternate angles are equal, lines are AD is parallel to this. If both the pair of opposites are parallel, then it's a parallelogram. Okay, that is proving the theorem. These are the theorems we wrote. Now, okay, so how many theorems are there to prove a quadrant? 5 theorems. Okay, Vrishti, can you tell one? Without seeing the look, Arya, can you tell one? To prove parallelogram. The diagonal bisect region is a parallelogram. Priyanshi. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, then it is a parallelogram. Rohan? Yes, sir. So what do you?
If opposite sides are equal.
Opposite sides are equal, then it's a parallelogram.
Opposite angle.
Huh?
Opposite angle.
If both the opposite pair of opposite angles are equal, it's a parallelogram. Fifth one. It's opposite side definition is parallel. Both are parallel. Both pairs are parallel. It's a parallelogram. Both pairs are equal. It is a parallelogram. If both the angles are equal, it's a parallelogram. Diagonal bisect each other, it's a parallelogram. And lastly, one pair of opposite sides. So how many ways you can prove parallelogram? 5 different ways. Okay. So try. Okay. Follow or not? Everyone. See ya. Follow. Yes, very good. How many other counting? Achieve doing exercise. Okay. So parallelogram, all of you followed?
Yes.
After parallelogram, do you know what is the next type of figure? And is spelling? Don't give pressure to them. No, I'll not give it. Next one. After parallelogram, again parallelogram. Right, rectangle. Rectangle. Rahul, stand up there. In last class, when you are getting late, what did you tell? Because of China. You were also late now. She said you were late.
She's like, she told me that I told her.
She's like, late, but so not so late and so late. Okay, next rectangle. All is there now?
Yes.
In between every time we have to see the timing?
No.
No. Okay, right. Rectangle. You know what is a rectangle? What is a rectangle?
Opposite sides are equal.
Right. Right. in a parallelogram. Nice now. In a parallelogram. Written in a parallelogram. If one angle is 90 degree, if one angle is 90 degree, then it is a rectangle. That means what? Rectangle is a parallelogram. So below right, rectangle is a parallelogram. Time over or what? When it is over? Oh, 17, 18. Thank you. We will discuss the next class. Okay. Rectangle is a parallelogram. Okay. Is it a parallelogram with a rectangle? No. Rectangle is a parallelogram. Chalo, bye bye. Hello. Who is supposed to? How many exams you have to do? Huh? Acha, bye. Next, sir. 1 minute. How many exams you have to do?
तेरे साथ तेरे आने
Sorry.